Hey guys, Happy New Year. It's almost 2021, 10 minutes away until midnight. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick tour of my New Year display setup. As you can see here, we still got snow on the ground, as you can see. Yeah, it's just a small setup, it's like a 5-minute display. So first we have this little oriental stars there, and then a couple of single shot tubes, and then these 3 cakes here are from the Supremacy pack. Incredible, intense and remarkable. And then over here we've got the Bomb Bomb candle, and then we've got 4 Smoking Ace candles here. So that's pretty much it, except we've got 6 rockets as well, which is the 2 destroyers, 2 Warhawk 2s and 2 Silicos. So pretty much that's the entire New Year setup, including the rockets. So yeah, just a quick video guys, and I'm going to take a few videos of some of these. So yeah, keep a lookout for them, and again, Happy New Year and stay safe.